Okay, dear learners, we'll start from where we ended. We've got a vertical line AE, then we've got line AB and line CD. Line AB is parallel to line CD. If we draw an angle, two angles here, like this, the two angles are corresponding angles. We say angle A will be equals to angle C. Reason their corresponding angles. Reason they are corresponding angles. Let's look how do angles correspond. How do angles correspond? Angle A and angle B. The two angles, both angles, let's write both angles are on the right side of a vertical line AE. They are on the right side of the vertical line AE. Number two, both angles are below the two parallel lines, which is AB and CD. Both angles A and C are on the right side of AE. Number one. Number two, both angles are below the two parallel lines. We got the right side of AE, vertical line AE, and below the two parallel lines AB and CD. Now, let's have this figure. Let's draw this figure. Then we say this line is a transversal. A, B, C, D. This line AD is a transversal. This line is called a transversal. Then if this line A, B, C, D, then we got E, F, G, H. Line EF is parallel to line GH. At point B, we've got B1, B2, B3, B4. At point C, we've got C1, C2, C3, C4. Now, let's look at corresponding angles. Let's look at corresponding angles. For an example, angle B1 is equals to angle C1. Reason corresponding angles. Now, both angles B1 and B2 are on the left side of a transversal AD. And both angles are above the two parallel lines. Angle B1 and angle C1 are on the left side of AD, which is a transversal, and both angles are above the two parallel lines, EF and GH. So the two angles correspond. B1 is equal to C1. The reason is corresponding angles. Now we have what we refer to as geometric misconceptions. If we have this figure, we draw the two figures. Then we got x, y, and then x, y. Right. Let's look at this figure 1. This is figure 1. This is figure 2. In figure 1, we've got the two lines that are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, then you've got angle x and angle y. Therefore, we say angle x will be equal to angle y. Reason corresponding angles. So the two angles x and y, they will only be equal if we've got the two lines that are parallel. That's in figure 1. In figure 2, we've got angle x and angle y. The two angles x and y, they do correspond, but they are not equal. Angle x and y, they do correspond, but they are not equal because the two lines are not indicated as parallel. If the two lines are not indicated as parallel, it means the two angles are not equal. The two angles x and y, they do correspond, but they are not equal. In figure 1, the two angles x and y, they are equal. They correspond because we've got two lines that are shown as parallel. If the lines are parallel, then the angles are equal. If the lines are not indicated as parallel, then the two angles are not equal, even though they correspond. Let me say it once more. In figure 1, angle x is equal to angle y. They are corresponding angles because we've got two lines that are shown as parallel. In figure 2, angle x and y, they correspond, but they are not equal because the two lines are not indicated as parallel.